Guys, John gave me all these fidget spinners.
Wow, Tiger.
And a fidget ball.
And a fidget ball. Look at that. Wow.
And then check out this one. It's like a bullet. Like,
yeah.
It's like a... We're hunting for fidget spinners.
At the mall again, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Victoria Garden.
Victoria Garden. Okay, I'll follow you, Tiger. Let's go. That way. That way, yep. Yeah, look, John. Hey, John, how you doing, man?
Good, man. How are you?
Pretty good.
Yeah, I got this.
Look at that.
Fidget cubes there. Hold like this.
Yeah, look at that. That's cool, huh?
And then you can also hold like this.
Ah, that.
All my workers play with this. They love it.
Really? Yeah. That's gonna hide him. He just woke up. There we go. Hi. It's hot today, huh?
It's hot. It's 105 degrees.
Yeah. It's hot today, Tiger. Tiger wanna go in the water out there. Look.
Right there. Right back out, man.
Yeah, Tiger, you wanna go in the water?
Like have you ever seen like a fidget ball before?
Fidget.
I'll show you right now.
Fidget. What is it?
It's called like a fidget ball.
Fidget Bob?
Fidget Bob.
I'm like one of the few that.
Whoa! Look at that. Now you never seen
So,
that one.
You hold this
Look at that, Tiger.
and you can spin it.
No way. That is cool. That's the first time we've seen that one. You do it. That's the first one, huh?
It's the first one.
Yeah, that is the first one. Yeah. Look at that, Tiger. It looks like your shirt too. Look, it matches your shirt.
There we go. Iron Man.
Yeah, it matches your shirt. Oh,
His collection with the one for the washer and dryer that
Yeah.
you drop in.
wow. Smooth, huh? How do they do that? How do they put all the bearings and stuff? How do they do that, Tiger? How do they do that? What's the bearing at? How many bearings does this thing have? Probably like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, you say?
I can't even count. How many bearings?
Yeah.
Here, let's see here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 bearing, Tiger.
At least 6 bearings.
That is a lot of bearing. Look at that.
And you could, you have a tile. You could roll it.
Yeah.
Just like a ball.
That is cool, Tiger. Tiger,
What?
look at that. What do you think about that?
Awesome.
Awesome, huh? Never seen that one before, huh? You look like Iron Man. See, Iron Man. And Spider-Man.
You like this one? You like this? Let me get a count.
Wow. That is cool.
I got a lot of new styles.
Yeah.
There's one of them here.
What you say, Tiger?
Thank you.
And then like for the fidget cube, I got them in the green or the silver.
Look at that.
You like silver better?
Can I see a green one?
Yes, I
Want to see a green one?
It's on this side here, Tiger.
Go that side, Tiger. That is cool, huh? Oh, that's nice. Look
It's
at
like
that
this one here is like it's metal, it's not plastic.
green. Yeah.
Okay. And you can try this out here.
Wow, look at that, Tiger. Look at that. Nice, huh? I think these will come in, be popular now. Oh, these are
Oh
here?
yeah, you just try it out. It's
Yeah.
like it's really smooth. It's like it doesn't make no sound at all.
Like will be
And,
popular, huh?
It lasts a long time.
Yeah.
And this one here is like it's real smooth. It's a CNC machining. Okay, and it's anodized in the silver, green.
Look at that, Tiger. Silver and green. Oh, we got Superman too. Look, Superman. That's cool, huh? You got a lot of new stuff too, huh?
Oh yeah, I got a lot of new ones.
Yeah,
Let's check
got
this out here.
Got the Superman. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the train. See your train? Hello. Oh, that's cool, huh? Superman.
And under your favorite color is probably gold, right?
He's always gold. He loves gold. Yeah. Oh, look at that, Tiger. That one's thick, huh?
Well, this one's been a long time here.
Yeah. Oh, it looks like a bullet. It is a bullet. What's it called?
It's
like
the revolver
yeah,
casing.
yeah, it is. Yeah, casing. Yeah. The housing, right? It's a hot housing, right?
And what's cool about it, you can take out the bullets, the ammo.
Oh no way! Look at that, Tiger. Take the bullet out. Oh, don't shoot me! Don't shoot me! Hey, how about the cop who was over? Oh, well, you shot me. The cop who was over. We're going to jail, Tiger. That's cool. I like that. That's some new stuff. That's cool, Tiger. How many bullets in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow.
Two spins. I can see you.
Yeah, I can see you too, Tiger. That's cool. Let's put the bullet in the chamber. Wow, look at that. That looks like a real chamber. Look at that. Wow.
Yo.
Ah, why are you shooting me? You shot me, Tiger. You got 2 more bullets left.
Same for this one. Choose.
Ah! Oh, why are you shooting me, Tiger? Ah! Shoot John over there. John, shoot him. Shoot John, come on. Ah! That's cool, Tiger. You like that one, huh?
Yeah, I want to get this one.
You want that one?
Mm-hmm.
That is nice, huh?
Yeah.
And look at it's gold too, Tiger.
Mm-hmm.
Gold bullet.
I want to get this one.
Who you shoot? Joseph? You shoot Joseph with it? You want to shoot Joseph, huh? That's cool. I like that one too. Look at that. Let me see that. Wow.
It's like missiles.
No. Yeah, it's like a
Anti-gun?
a tank gun? No, it's like a
No, it's
like a John Wayne gun.
No, it's an anti-gun.
Yeah,
It looks
that's cool,
like
huh?
an anti-gun picking up. An anti-gun magazine.
Magazine?
Like
Yeah.
this. Anti-gun magazine all like this. And then it shoot like this.
Oh, that's cool, Tiger. See that? It's awesome, huh? Wow, Tiger, look at all this fidget spinner. There's some rare one in there, huh?
So, I want this one and then this one.
What happened?
I want this one and this one.
You want that one? Well, I don't know. You gotta talk to John about that one, Tiger.
What's on, Tiger? That one there? Yeah, no problem, Tiger.
John is always a nice
I
guy.
have this one here
Look at John.
and this one here.
Wow, Tiger. Oh. That is a cool star, huh? Look at that. You fit your hand?
Barely fit it.
Yeah. I was about to say, look at that. Wow.
It's smooth, right?
Look at that.
Yeah.
That's cool, Tiger. Oh, it's a fidget spinner.
Where's the cap for this one right here?
I don't know. Right here? Oh, no. It's on the cube. Yeah. That's cool, Tiger.
Look at the red tip one.
Yeah, look at that.
I want to see what is this one.
That's the gold one. That's a bullet too. You see it? Shape of bullet.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
You can take these out too.
Don't drop it. Ah, why are you shooting at me, Tiger? That's a nice one too, huh? This one, look at this one. You get a diamond. Ah, why are you shooting? Wow. Why are you shooting me, Tiger? That's cool, huh, Tiger?
There you go, Tiger. All this for you. Got this, got that.
Cool.
And you get a fidget box.
Wow, what do you say to John, Tiger?
Thank you, John.
You're welcome, Tiger.
Wow, John, thank you so much. That's nice of John to give you all the fidget spinner, huh? Wow, that's awesome. Yeah. All right, Tiger. That's so nice of John, huh? High five, John. Thank you.
See you next time.
All right. Thank you, John.
Bye-bye. See you.
Bye. Let's go, Tiger. That's cool, huh, Tiger?
Yeah. That's a garlic bread.
Yeah. Awesome.
Guys, John gave me all these fidget spinners.
Wow, Tiger.
And a fidget ball.
And a fidget ball. Look at that. Wow.
And then check out this one. It's like a bullet. Like,
Yeah.
It's like a...
That is the bullet right there, Tiger.
Yeah.
And that's the shit. Yeah. Oh, you shot me, Tiger. That's cool, huh?
Yeah.
It's a housing for the bullet, Tiger.
And this too, this star right
Look
here.
at that star. It's
He
awesome.
gave me the star too.
Yeah.
I can see myself.
Yeah, pretty cool, huh,
Can you
Tiger?
see yourself?
Yeah, I see you. I see you. Yeah. That's awesome, Tiger. Yeah, it's cool, huh?
Yeah.
He gave you all that for free, huh?
And eating gummy bears.
Then you eating gum bear too?
And,
You hungry?
and look at this.
And John gave you that too?
No,
Oh,
this.
oh, you bought it from there. Ice sugar, huh? I mean, it's sugar, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's cool, Tiger. That is awesome. John is so nice, huh?
Yeah.
You have fun playing with his kid today? Yeah, they were nice too, huh?
Yeah, but
There's only one? Oh, these other kids were at home, huh? With the grandma, Tiger, remember? Yeah. What you say, Tiger?
thank you for watching my YouTube channel, TigerBox HC. Make sure to play my account, SuperCar and Fox Spinner.
Bye-bye. What's up guys? If you like this video and like to see more video, please subscribe and like please. Thank you.